Okay, so this is the lecture number 20, unit number first. See here, we have studied up to that first shifting theorem, second shifting theorem, change of scale, multiplication theorem, division theorem, integral theorem. These six property theorems, and one more theorem is that is derivative theorem that we will see at the time of taking the applications of the Laplace transform. Okay, so after this first part of this unit, see here in unit number first there are mainly two part. First is the uh, all theorems of Laplace transform or properties, all theorems of Laplace transform. Okay, and second part is special functions. See here, special functions. In all theorems of Laplace transform, there are 7 theorems. Theorem number first shifting property, second shifting property, change of scale, division. See here, first shifting theorem. Second part is second shifting theorem. Third is the change of scale. Fourth is the multiplication theorem. Okay. Fifth is the division theorem. Sixth is the integral theorem, and 7 is the derivative theorem. So this first part is completed of this chapter. So in special function there are 3 special functions. First is the periodic function. Okay. Second is the unit step function, or its other name is a Heaviside unit step function. And third is the Dirac delta function. Okay, after completion of these 3 articles, this first unit will over. Okay, so now we will start the special function. In that special function we start firstly periodic function. Is it clear what you have studied? Up to that we have studied the standard, see here, up to that we have studied this some standard functions of Laplace transform. After that we have studied these 7 theorems, its proof and its problems. Okay, so after that we will start that special functions. In that we will start the periodic function, after that unit step function, and third is the Dirac delta function. So now we will start name of that first special function, and see here what is the specialty of this function. These 3 functions or this article is doesn't depends upon the previous article. It's very important what I am saying. तर बघा तुम्हाला इथं फायदा आहे, जर तुम्हाला समजा पाठीमागचं कधी कन्सेप्ट समजलं नसलं तरी तुम्हाला हे आर्टिकल समजून जाईल, कारण का हे आर्टिकलमध्ये पाठीमागच्यावर डिपेंड्स असं कुठलंही नाही. म्हणजे जे पाठीमागचे आर्टिकल्स आहेत ना याच्यावरती डिपेंड्स नाही आर्टिकल, त्यामुळे तुम्हाला हे ऑटोमॅटिक समजून जाईल, त्यामुळे काहीच अडचण नाही, पाहून घ्यावं. ओके, सोपं आहे. सो विल स्टार्ट periodic function. A function f of t defined for t greater than 0 is said to be periodic with period capital T greater than 0 if f of t plus capital T is equal to f of t for all t greater than 0. Okay, बघा simple definition will not ask in examination, but it may be. If you ask, then try to understand. Any f of t is or any function is said to be periodic function if t is greater than 0. It is non-zero. Okay, if f of t small t is equal to capital T, that is f of t. Okay, so this capital T is the time period of this. For example, बघा periodic function म्हणजे काय, एखादी फंक्शन काही वेळानंतर रिपीट होत असेल तर त्या फंक्शनला म्हणतो आपण periodic function. For example, sin 2 pi plus theta is equal to sin theta. तर 2 पाय प्लस थिटा परत थिटा आलेला आहे. ओके, तर म्हणजे याचं मिनिंग काय होतं, जो एक असं साइन हे फंक्शन आहे, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन आहे, सगळ्यांना माहित आहे. ओके, तर या फंक्शनमध्ये आपण त्याचं जरा टाइम पिरियड ॲड केलं. आता त्या टाइम पिरियड किती आहे इथं 2 पाय जर आपण ॲड केलं तर त्याच्या अँगलला काही फरक पडत नाही. तर साइन फंक्शन हे काय आहे, पिरियडिक फंक्शन आहे. ओके, याचा आपण जरी ग्राफ काढलं तर आपल्याला बघायचं आहे आपला साइनचा ग्राफ. हे असे जी प्रोसेस आहे हे 2 पाय नंतर रिपीट होते. ओके, आता काही तिथून रिपीट झाले ना, परत इथून काय होते की स्टार्ट नवीन असं, म्हणजे 2 पाय नंतर हे जो टाइम पिरियड आहे 2 पाय असतो. ओके, म्हणजे जर एखादी प्रोसेस काही वेळानंतर रिपीट होत असेल तर त्याला म्हणतो आपण पिरियडिक फंक्शन. तसं फॉर एक्झाम्पल साइन फंक्शन, कॉस फंक्शन, देर आर सो मेनी फंक्शन्स विच इज द पिरियडिक फंक्शन्स. ओके, तर हिअर वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट दॅट लॅपलास ट्रान्सफॉर्म ऑफ पिरियडिक फंक्शन. तर आपल्याला असं का बघायचं आहे, तर ह्या ठिकाणी periodic functionचा लॅपलास ट्रान्सफॉर्म काढायचा आहे. So what is the formula for the periodic function? Okay, so I will write here what is the formula to finding the Laplace transform of that periodic function. Okay, if any function, suppose f of t is a periodic function with period capital T, means what, period, with period capital T, then formula is what, finding the Laplace transform of periodic function. The formula of the finding the Laplace transform periodic function is that Laplace transform of small f of t is equal to 0 to, Laplace transform of small f of t is 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus st 0 to t e to the power minus st f of t into dt. So this is the formula to finding the Laplace transform of the periodic function. What is the formula? Laplace of transform f of t is equal to 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus st 0 to t e to the power minus st f of t dt. This is the formula to finding the Laplace transform of that periodic function. Okay, now we will see the problems. Before that, see here what is the main target here. आता बघा ह्या ठिकाणी एफ ऑफ टी आपण दिलेला असते प्रॉब्लेममध्ये, त्याचा लॅपलास काढायचं असतं आपल्याला. तर एफ ऑफ टी कुठे घ्यायचं, का इथे घ्यायचं, ई टू दी पॉवर मायनस एस टी ॲज इट इज 1 अपॉन 1 मायनस एस हे कॉन्स्टंट आहे आणि कॅपिटल टी तुम्हाला काय म्हटलं मी, टाइम पिरियड. सी हिअर टी इज द टाइम पिरियड. ओके, तर तो टाइम पिरियड आम्हाला दिलेला असतो, म्हणजे कॅपिटल टी दिलेलं असतं, एस कॉन्स्टंट आहे आणि स्मॉल एफ ऑफ टी ठेवायचं त्या ठिकाणी, त्याचं इंटिग्रेशन काढा आणि अप्पर and lower limit ठेवून द्या, you will get last answer. Okay, so we'll see the example. Question is that find the Laplace transform of periodic function. बघा क्वेश्चन काय म्हणतं, पिरियडिक फंक्शन मेन्शन करतं किंवा तुम्हाला काय दिलेलं असं मी हिंट सांगतो क्वेश्चन कसं विचारत असतं. ओके, ऑफ द पिरियडिक फंक्शन f of t is equal to k t by capital T. 0 is less than small t is less capital T, where capital T is time period. Okay, this is the question we have to given that. So now we will start the problems. Its problems are very easy, and it's what is the benefit of this articles? This article does not depends upon the previous article. Okay, so we know that Laplace transform of periodic function is Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus st 0 to t e to the power minus st f of t and here dt. Okay, so Laplace transform of this given function. Okay, before that what you have to given that capital T is T means what here capital T and small, this T is are the same, the time pattern is the same दिलेला. Okay, only have to given the function. Okay, so Laplace transform of f of t 1 upon 1 minus e to the power इथे t म्हणजे तेच दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये पण. ओके, सो 0 टू t e to the power minus st dt. f of t आपण इथे दिलेला आहे. f of t किती दिलेला आपल्याला काय kt by t, kt by t. So only have to find its integration, put upon a lower limit, you will get the answer, no problems. Okay, so see here 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus st. What is the constant here? Capital T. 1 upon capital T is the constant. 0 to t e to the power minus st. Also this k is also constant. Don't take this t is a constant. The t constant and here dt. So 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus st k by t. Its integration is 0 to t e to the power minus st t into dt. Find its integration. How to find its integration? The process of finding the integration are generally integration by parts, standard formula, or substitutions methods. So this is a very easy problems. So this can be calculated by using the substitutions methods. Okay, so by let this is exponential function, this is the algebraic function. So algebraic function is firstly and exponential function last. So this call as u, this call as v. Apply the integration by parts. We will apply on next page. So our last step of the previous page is Laplace transform of f of t 1 upon e to the power minus st. Okay, here k by Laplace transform of f of t 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus st k by capital T, and integration is that 0 to t e to the power minus st t into dt. So by let this call as u, this call as v. What is the integration by parts formula? uv dx is equal to, first as it is, integration of second into dx, integration derivative of first, integration of second into dx. So Laplace transform of f of t is k divided by t into 1 minus e to the power minus st. Apply this integration by parts. First as it is, that is t as it is, integration of second. What is the integration? e to the power minus st, e to the power minus integration करें e to the power minus st, again minus st चे इंटिग्रेशन माइनस सॉरी खाली घेतो आपण माइनस एस. ओके. So first as it is, integration of second e to the power minus st by minus s minus times derivative of first. Derivative of this t with respect to t is the 1. Okay. So this is big integration. Firstly, big integration. Derivative of first. Integration of second e to the power minus st by minus s. Due to this integration, there is take dt. Okay. So k divided by t times 1 minus e to the power minus st. So this minus t by s e to the power minus st minus minus plus 1 by s integration of e to the power minus st dt. Okay. Next, k divided by t times 1 minus e to the power, here take limit also 0 to t, minus t by s e to the power minus st plus 1 by s, its integration is e to the power minus st by minus s, limit is 0 to t. Simplify this, k divided by t times 1 minus e to the power minus st minus t by s e to the power minus st plus minus minus 1 by s into s, s square e to the power minus st 0 to t. Now this k t times 1 minus e to the power minus st curly bracket 1 bracket for upper limit minus other bracket for lower limit. What is the upper limit? Capital T. So you will get here t by s e to the power minus st minus 1 by s square e to the power minus st. Just put instead of that small t as कॅपिटल टी. ज्या ठिकाणी स्मॉल टी आहे त्या ठिकाणी काय करा, कॅपिटल टी पुट करा, कारण का आपलं स्मॉल टी ना आपण इंडेक्शन काढलेलं आहे. आपलं अप्पर लिमिट काय आहे, कॅपिटल टी, लोअर लिमिट काय आपलं 0, तर टीच्या ठिकाणी 0 ठेवा. मायनस 0 बाय एस ई टू दी पॉवर मायनस एस इंटू 0 मायनस 1 बाय एस स्क्वेअर ई टू दी पॉवर एस इंटू 0. So from next, this side Laplace transform of f of t is k divided by t times 1 minus e to the power minus st minus t by s e to the power minus st minus 1 by s square e to the power minus st. Okay, this is the upper limit. Minus for lower limit 0 1 by s square e to the power 0 is the 1. So final solution of this problem is Laplace transform of f of t k t times 1 minus e to the power minus st into minus t by s e to the power minus st 1 by s square e to the power minus st minus minus plus 1 by s square. So this is the final solution of the given problem. Just have to remember this formula. Which formula? Laplace of f of t is 1 upon 1 minus st. Capital T is the time period. 0 to capital T e to the power minus st f of t dt. Okay, so this is a one example is completed on this special function. That is name of the function, the periodic function. What we have studied? Periodic function. Okay, now again for more practice we will take examples depends upon the periodic function. Again two functions are the remaining in this article, that is a unit step function, or its other name is the Lewis unit step function, and third function is the Dirac delta function. After completion of these three articles are the easy and don't depends upon this previous articles. तर हे सर्व articles पाठीमागच्यावर depends नाही. Okay, so after completion of these three articles, first unit, that is Laplace transform you over. So for second unit, remember that you have to prepare first all unit. तर तुम्हाला फर्स्ट युनिट हे पूर्ण प्रिपेअर करावं लागेल तुम्हाला, तरच तुम्हाला सेकंड युनिट समजेल. कारण का व्हॉट इज द नेम ऑफ सेकंड युनिट? इनवर्स लॅपलास ट्रान्सफॉर्म. इफ यू आर गेटिंग द इनवर्स लॅपलास ट्रान्सफॉर्म, then you will get the inverse Laplace transform. So prepare very well first unit, then it very easy for second unit. Okay.